Boom! What's up, you guys? I'm Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. We're going to do a healthy snack review here, a really quick healthy snack review. I found these in the store by a company called Eat Real, and these are quinoa and kale corn puffs. Quinoa and kale corn puffs. These say gluten-free, vegan, jalapeno and cheddar flavor. It says it's a light, crispy snack made with quinoa and kale. So quinoa is a grain, kale is a vegetable. We all know about quinoa and kale. Those are two healthy foods. They've somehow managed to blend this into a snack food that they say is healthy, and we're going to give it a shot and see. First things first, let's take a look at the nutrition facts here. We're going to take a look at the nutrition facts, and we're going to read this over here. So remember to look at your serving size. Whenever you're looking at any snack food, always look at the serving size because it can be a little deceiving to you. This one seems to be pretty straightforward. It says 4 servings per container. So you got 4 servings in here, and the calories are 140 calories per serving. And the serving size is 1 ounce, 28 grams. So that's not too bad, 140 calories per serving. Now we're gonna jump down to total fat, 9 grams. Not terrible for a snack food. There's better and there's worse. We're going to go to saturated fat, 1.5 grams again. That's not too bad. Cholesterol, 0. That's great. And we got sodium coming in at 220 milligrams. And again, for a snack food, that's not too bad. And we're going to jump into carbohydrates, 14 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, under a gram. And no more added sugar. The protein's only 2 grams. And you're not eating something like this to get protein out of it. You're eating something like this to have a nice snack, watching a movie, watching some TV. I love the snack, so I try to find things that are bridging that gap, snack food and have something healthy, because you're doing your Netflix and chilling or you're watching the show. I like to have something that has that crunch, but I want something healthy. So let's jump into testing these out. Let's see how these taste. So again, we got quinoa and kale corn puffs by Eat Real. We're going to jump right in and see how these taste. I love the picture on the front here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It has a picture of a piece of kale, jalapeno pepper, and a little bit of cheese there. And let's jump into the bag here and see how they taste. Open it up. Ooh, bag open right up. I like that. I hate when the bags are hard to get into. Right, let's jump into these here. Get in there. First one. That's good. So far, they passed the taste test. While I'm tasting them, let's check out the ingredients. Man, I almost want to just turn the camera off and eat the bag now, but I'll finish the review for you. Now, ingredients, we got quinoa puff ingredients, cornmeal, quinoa and kale. Contains 1 or more of the following: corn, canola, safflower oil, maltodextrin, salt, tomato powder, jalapeno pepper, yeast extract. I think that's what they get the cheesiness from, the yeast. Sugar, dehydrated green bell pepper, onion powder, paprika, extractives of turmeric, annatto, natural flavors, lactic acid. So this is the ingredients. I just read it off. The ingredients to me are good. The ingredients to me are really good. And it says right here, it's got the non-GMO verified stamp on there. And these are made in Marietta, Georgia. So they're made out in Georgia. So you probably can get these at your store, because I found these all the way over here in Southern California at the Ralph's here in Burbank. So you can probably get these in Georgia, I would presume. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a thumbs up on this as a healthy snack alternative. Again, 140 calories per serving is not bad. And even if you somehow you messed up and you ate the whole bag, you know, you're coming in at around 600 calories. Let's just round up, 600 or so calories. Again, that can be a lot of calories, but that's not too bad for the type of food that it is. It's a snack food. And let's be honest here. Nobody eats 1 serving on a snack food. I mean, I know I never do. It's always the whole bag, usually for me. If I open a bag, I'm probably going to eat the whole thing. But if you're watching your calories, be careful because it's 140 calories and you want to watch those calories and you're watching your macros and everything. But the taste, taste is amazing, man. I have nothing bad to say. It has that crunch, a little bit of saltiness to it, no artificial flavors, no colors, no preservatives, free of MSG, free of GMO. So if you're gonna have snack foods, chips, and that kind of stuff, snack on something that's a healthier version of the snack foods. So instead of having like, say, regular cheese puff or Cheeto or something like that, this would be something that's a healthier version of something like that. This is a corn puff. Again, it's by a company called Eat Real. I'm not endorsed by them or anything like that. I'm just reviewing the product. It's very good. If they want to endorse me, I'm open to offers. You have to get in line though. But on the real, these are good. Really good. There you go. Let's see what it looks like there. Hope you enjoyed this quick food review. If you find these, I approve. They get my seal of approval for healthy snacks. When you're binge watching your Netflix or whatever, go ahead and eat them. But you're not going to eat them with me because I wouldn't be sharing these. Here you go. Man. There you go. I'm going to turn the camera off and polish off the rest of this bag. We'll see you guys next time on the snack food review. We're always trying to find some healthy snacks for you. I'm out of here. I'm going to cut the camera off now. Let me go back. They make me want to say, boom!